Wijay Smart Digital Factory. Focus on the digitization of powder food ingredients. The 4-level schemes have distinct advantages. The basic version has encrypted formula control, preventing mistakes in the whole process of feeding. Prevent private formula changes. Reduce losses from the source. The advanced version automatically summarizes production data. Costs are calculated in real time. Eliminate manual accounting errors. The enhanced version integrates quality control and equipment management. Automatically retain archives. Pass HACCP and QMS compliance inspections easily. VIP customization for full-link traceability. The management can make decisions on the big screen. Seamless integration with ERP and WMS. Customized production line plans on demand. Standardized project implementation. Quickly put into production. Local private deployment. Protect data security. Wijay Digital Factory empowers lean manufacturing.